All right, good job. Only 100 more to go. Well, hello, my friends. It's January 1st. Figure we could probably do some sort of update as I'm actually out in the greenhouse. 2020, there's not enough words. There was lots of good, lots of bad. It was an interesting year. December 23rd, my daughter was born. So she's home. Mom's doing great. Daughter's doing great. She did have to have a C-section. Charlotte was breech, and she was way too big. So they just decided to slice her open and pull her out. Charlotte is her name. Charlotte Marie New. She was 6 pounds, 4 ounces, born at, call it 8 o'clock a.m. So we were really excited about that. It took a few days to just kind of enjoy her. And now that it's the new year, it's time that I got to work out here. What I'm doing right now, today, I'd like to do multiple things today, but what I'm doing right now, and then we'll reassess once my son Max wakes up and all this stuff, is I'm just cleaning up. I finally got down the lifting gantry. I got down half of it. The other half, the larger half, I will try to get down. That will be a little bit more interesting. Let me show you, because it has the cross member attached. So, still figuring that one out. Might just have to, give it the old timber and get out of the way. And then I'm just going to pick everything up. I'm going to pick up the drip line, random bits of 2x4, some just crap that I have lying around. Because I got my soil sample back, and I'll tell you about that. Might be the next video. But I got my soil sample back, and it's pretty good. All I really need to do is adjust my pH. My salt is higher than I want it to be. That's interesting. But again, we'll get into detail about that in a different video. So it's about 35-ish degrees outside, maybe 40. But it's almost 80 in here. So I got myself a sleeveless shirt. But it's time to get to work. Let's make it pretty. All this junk and crud that you see, we're getting rid of it. It's got to go. So let's get to work. So Max is helping me throw out. We have some beet pulp pellets. Throw them out. Good job. And some alfalfa pellets. The alfalfa pellets and the beet pulp add organic matter into the soil. They add nitrogen in the beet pulp. Because it has, it's sugary. It adds some food for the microbes, as well as a local grower named Will Pierce told me that he puts these down and his worms really seem to like it. Because my greenhouse is in a piece of the property that's not overly lush anywhere else, I like the idea of trying to attract worms over this direction to get them to do what worms do. And that's break up the soil and make the soil healthy. So yeah, I want to encourage that as much as we can. So we cleaned up most of the junk around here. The weeds are probably just going to get tilled in. I'll till them in rather than go through and pull up all of them. And as I say that, I don't know. I don't have that many. Would only take me, I don't know, half an hour to kind of rip them all up. So I might actually pop all those up while Max is distributing the pellets. So yeah, took off the soaker lines, got those out of the way, picked up all the trash. I still have to get what's left of the main water line across the top. But we're looking pretty good, getting it all picked up with the help of my son here. So yeah, we'll probably do one more segment before we end this here video. Is that Big Rock? Can you lift it up?
Yes. I'm pushing it. I'm pushing it.
Okay, so while Max does whatever he's doing, you can see that we took out the vast majority of the weeds in this section, which was the weediest section by far, and it was all year, followed by that section. Say hi, Maxwell. And then we just got some random oddball ones. But needless to say, I filled up my wagon with some weeds, Sun's going down. That means it's probably nearing 5 o'clock, so it's chow time. And that is about it. Thanks for watching. I almost forgot. If you send me a seed pack, we sent out all the seed packs on like the day after Christmas or something about that. So your seed packs are in the mail. If you want seeds, I still have plenty of seeds. Send those bubbles. Those of you who sent like money, that's awesome. Thank you so much for that. You 100% do not have to send money. But if you throw a $1, $2, somebody would send $20. Thank you so much. Highly unnecessary, but thank you. You know, we'll take it. That'll go directly into this here pumpkin patch. How's it going over there? Is he good? Okay. That'll go right back into the pumpkin patch. So bigger pumpkins and make more interesting content for you, the viewer. So anyway, guys, have a happy new year. Stay safe in 2021. Hopefully it's better than 2020. Could it get much worse? Probably. Don't want to put that bad juju on it. And we'll catch you next time. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, share. Say bye, Maxwell.
Bye.
See you next time.